Right, EAMCET physics previous question. An ant start from the origin and crawls 10 centimeter along the x-axis and then 20 centimeter along the y-axis. The dot product of the ant's displacement vector with the position vector of point that makes 45 degrees with the x-axis and has a magnitude root 2 centimeters is dash. Okay, try to understand the question first. An ant starts from the origin. Ant is started from the origin. It crawls 10 centimeter along x-axis, 20 centimeter along y-axis. So first we will take a plane and x-axis, y-axis. This is origin. Okay, what is given? An ant starts from the origin and crawls 10 centimeter along x-axis. Along x-axis, what is the distance? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter along x-axis. Along y-axis, 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Okay. Along x-axis we can take I is the unit vector. Along y-axis we can take j is the unit vector. What is it? The dot product of the ant's displacement. Okay, dot product of ant's displacement with the position vector. Dot product of displacement and position vector, a point that makes an angle 45 degrees, which makes a position vector of a point that makes 45 degrees with x-axis. Position vector, this is the position vector, makes 45 degrees with the x-axis and has a magnitude of root 2. It has magnitude, how much that value? Root 2 centimeter. It has root 2 centimeter magnitude. So from vector's resolution we can find out this value and this value. This is 0. I will take this as A, this is B, this is C. OB and OA we can find out. This is Rx. Rx is equal to, Rx is the coefficient from according to vector's resolution, Rx along x-axis, Ry along y-axis. Coefficient of this OC, we can say OC. Okay, this Rx and Ry we can find out. So when this is an angle, this opposite side, base and hypotenuse. From cos theta we can find out Rx. Okay, this is Rx. I will take cos theta first. Cos theta, adjacent side Rx, Ry, adjacent side Rx by hypotenuse root 2. So which implies Rx is equal to how much? Rx is equal to root 2 into cos theta. Root 2 into cos theta means theta means 45 degrees. Root 2 cos 45 degrees. Root 2 cos 45 means 1 by root 2. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel 1. Rx is equal to 1. Coefficient along x-axis, Rx is equal to 1. So here we will take Ry. For that I will take sin theta. Sin theta or sin 45. Cos theta means cos 45, sin theta means sin 45. When sin theta is there, this is opposite Ry, hypotenuse root 2. Okay, sin 45 means 1 by root 2. This will become multiplication. So root 2 is equal to Ry. Okay, root 2 cancel. 1 equal Ry. So here Ry is also 1. So here we can write position vector. Position vector Rx is equal to position vector Rx is equal to Rxi plus Ryj. centimeter. Rx value 1, Ry value also 1, 1i plus 1j. This is position vector. Okay, given displacement vector 10x along x-axis, 10y along y-axis. Displacement S is equal to 10i plus 20j. 10i plus 20j. So here what is given? The dot product of the anti-displacement with the position vector. Dot product of displacement and position vector. Displacement x dx position rx is equal to s is 10i plus 20j dot product of 1i plus 1i plus 1j. So 10 into 1 10, 20 into j 20. So 10 plus 20, that will be 30. So 30 centimeters is our answer. Here I dot I equal j dot j equal k dot k equal 1 always. So 10 into 1 10, I dot I 1 plus 20 into 1 20, j dot j 1. 10 plus 20 equal 30. That is our answer, 30 centimeter.